So hi guys, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
What are your guys' names?
I'm Sabrina.
I'm Jasmine.
Hi Sabrina and Jasmine. I have a few questions for you about toilet seats. Do you guys have partners, boyfriends by chance?
No.
No, not right now. In case anyone.
Maybe soon.
Have you guys ever experienced though a man using the toilet seat, leaving it up, and then you dealing with the consequences?
My father.
My biggest pet peeve when I had a boyfriend was going into the bathroom after and both seats were up. The lid and the seats.
Both seats.
And I
think
fall in.
That is my biggest pet peeve ever.
Would it be a green flag if a guy put down the toilet seat and the lid after every use?
Oh,
Yes,
absolutely.
or a little questionable, because where'd you learn that from?
Oh, true. True.
What would you guys think if I told you that there's a startup group who have made an automatically closing toilet seat, no batteries, it's all mechanical, and it automatically closes the seat and the lid after use?
I would say I need it.
I need it.
Now.
You could tell that future boyfriend or partner of yours to install it right away.
Absolutely.
Installation, I feel like always needs to be like easy for people to really be like, okay, I want this product.